Okay, so welcome back guys again here to another video tutorial. So I'm gonna teach you how to make an invisible folder that anyone can't see it. So we're gonna make this folder invisible. So just right click, properties, then go to customize, then change icon. So find the blank icon in here. This blank icon, click OK, then click OK too, so you now can see the black icon. So to remove that name, just go in character map, oops, just type character map. Then if now you open it, find a blank, or just find a blank one. Just need to see it, the blank ones. If you can see it, you can use a dot, very tiny dot. So can't see it because my eyes is blurry. So can't see it. Oh my god, here's the space one. So please select it, then copy it, then let's try if you can rename it. Go into the properties, then by clicking rename, then just control V, then just click anywhere in the screen. So now you can now have this blank folder. You can now have this blank folder. You can make it into any folder, even into a app. You can also make it. So this is my folder. I just put it in here. You can also, if you can't find it just like this, then you can now find it. You just click and drag the whole screen so you can find it. So it can work. You can see if I click this, having a small. So you can now see this folders. As you can see, copy for a new project because I'm making P5 projects. And these are my projects, one P5 folder. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you want, please subscribe to my channel because that's good to subscribe. So thank you.